Hi guys, this is my Android head unit, and now I'm at the Google Play Store looking at Thunder GPS speedometer. Let's click install and check out their screenshots. Shows, the speed, of course, and then this is, if you're using a handphone, then this is the mode. Or else it looks like this. This is amazing, yeah, big enough and very bright. Or it can be simple like this, or a very sophisticated look like that. Very nice. Okay, enough of that. Let's take a look at the real stuff. 6.42 meg, so it's about done. Alright, it's done. Let's open it. Okay, what is this? Important notes. You read for yourself, alright? I read and I understand. So my unit is km per hour, and this looks like it's asking me to swipe left or right to change the dashboard. Okay, so if I do this, yep, then this is tap options to open menu. There you go. And what else you want me to know? Okay, pretty much that. So just swiping it, you get to see different dashboards. Very cool. Okay, I think it's repeating itself. So let's go through it one by one. Yeah, so this is a blue one, and this is speedometer, and this is showing you the compass, and of course this is what, economy. Click on it. Does it do anything? Nothing. Okay, this is average speed, if not mistaken, and this is max speed. Right now it's 1 because it's brand new. I didn't do anything to it. And this is a satellite, maybe how many satellites you have locked, and this is time, date and day, everything at one time and place. This is battery. I'm not using a phone, so it's always full. All right, and this looks like a reboot, I think. Is it reset trip? Yeah, click longer, then it will reset the trip. Okay, so there's some animation there. Once you reset, something is going to move. Yeah, so okay, this is km per hour, how fast you're going in digital form. This is the analog. All right, and next, this is in a little orange accent, some plastic texture. I'm not sure whether you called it leather. I think it's more towards hard plastic, so it blend in with your some sort of plastic texture here that I have as well. So nice. Yeah. So this is basically the speedometer in digital and analog. This is much clearer than previous one. Yeah, but it comes with this Thunder logo as well. I think it's their branding. So other than that, I think this is the same. Yep, this is just one simple digital speedometer, and this is well, this looks like a Iron Man in red and a little bit yellowish here. So this is the compass, this is the reset trip, this is a trip, I'm not mistaken. Yeah, so once you reset it, that it will become 0.1 again, and how far you have gone, how long is the trip, and this is the date and time. Yep, satellite, so this will be the one, how many satellites locked. This is the battery, and yeah, that's about it. Okay, and this is supposed to be the maximum speed. Yeah, okay, next. Actually, the information is the same. Yeah, so this is the speed, how fast you're going, the meter, the digital form of the speed, and this is compass, and I think this is just a repeat of what I've mentioned earlier as well. Okay, so this is a very simple one, just black and white. Yep, I think I don't want to repeat again. It's the same, just the design is slightly different. Okay, so this is in the red version. It looks good. Yeah, it looks good. The rest is the same. Okay, I think I've just repeated. So this is the options. So let's check out the settings. So this is unit, km per hour, mile per hour, meter, nautical mile or knots. Time format can be 12 hours or 24 hours. Progress style, nice. This can be segmented. Earlier was solid. They just change it to segmented and see what it looks like. Yeah. Speed category, you can have it highway, city, cycling. Most of the time I'm in at highway, so this is just nice. Dashboards, wow. Okay, so there's some names there. Yeah, Ferrari, Camaro, Porsche, Digital, Volcano, Lamborghini, and Lexus. So whichever you don't want, then you can disable it, so you don't see it at the when you swipe it, you don't see it there. So this is start and stop, auto or manual. This is for the trip. Speed alarm, enable speed alarm. So let me just click here. I think, oh, I already click it. Okay, so this is disable. To click here is enable. Enable, you can change this as well, the speed alarm to say 130. That's the fastest I should go. More than that, it will actually alarm me. Yeah. And language, you can choose English, Spanish, France, those so many more. Yeah, Japanese. Okay. And this is a reset tutorial. Yeah, that means when you restart your apps, then it will tell you that, oh, you need to do this and that again. Okay, I think I just click it. Okay, that is all on the settings. Yeah, there you go. Tutorial. Okay, let me just skip it. Come back here again and look at the odometer. Edit odometer. Why would I want to edit? So I can just edit and put another 10. Doesn't matter. Okay, click here again. Trips. Okay, this is today, and not sure why today is here as well. But anyway, it registers everything. Yeah, registers today, the week and month and total. So it will show you the information about the trips. Okay, next, HUD. So you can see it's the other way around, so that if it's a phone that you're having, you can just put it on top of the dashboard, like here, over here, and you're able to see it from the reflection at your windscreen. Nice, yeah. Okay, but the thing is, how do I get back? Okay, click here instead. And nope, I don't want HUD. Okay, and here, this is the share. I'm not going to share anything. This is the rate, FAQs. Okay, I think they force us to read this earlier when it starts. Yeah, so read at your own time. So that's about it. You know, there's nothing much you can do now. So okay, a very simple and very nice. Make sure you have your satellite signal. Yep, normal phones would have it, but if it's an Android hit unit, make sure you have it over there or anywhere else around here, so that you can capture the satellites. Yeah, I'm now at the basement parking, so I won't be able to grab any satellite signals. Once you have that, then this should work. Yep, maybe there is a little delay, but it should work. Yep. So that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you like this, give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please help me to do so. Okay, have a nice day and bye.